right, welcome to another video. This is my retie method. I'm showing you the tools that I use. These are linked down in the description box. I like to use a crochet needle or crochet needle, however you want to call it. And this tool that I actually found here on YouTube from, I believe it's KendraShay. I'll make sure I put her name in there. But I'm showing you how I do a 3-point retie. And sometimes it goes into a 2-point. And I'll be showing you that in the following clips. But my main destination is to go downward. So that's where it hangs. So you'll notice that I go to the side and then I'll go down. Again to the side, and then I'll go up against the direction that my lock is going to lay. That last one from the side, and then the final rotation is straight down to where the lock is going to lay. So this is how I lock my hair. Let me give you a much more closer look with a lock that is like, that's a lot. So I'm going to show you my 3-point method once again, and then I will show you how my 2-point looks. So this is where I'm going to end my final rotation, is the last direction that the hair lays, and then this is when I transition into my 2-point. So to the side, and then instead of going up against, I go back down in the direction that it lays. And that's the tightest that I go. I try not to go too tight with my locks. That's important to me, and I try not to be too tight when I'm interlocking them or retying them, which is what I'm doing. So that's it. This is how I do my retie, 3-point to 2-point. Hope this was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one.